everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope everyone is staying safe. For this video, I'm using Ceres for today's tutorial, and it's from Xpression, or rather it's Xpression product. For this style, we are using about 2 packs of this extension to actually make her hair. And the reason why we're using 2 packs is because she actually wants it pretty long, and we are only making use of color 1. Okay, before installing the hair or the extension, like I always say, you need to wash the client's hair with shampoo and conditioner, and also use hand dryer to just dry the hair. Please, if you are new here, just go ahead to click the subscribe button to join the family. Give this video a big thumbs up. You can share this video to friends and family, and also leave a comment in the comment section below. Her hair is short and natural, so yeah, I get a lot of questions about me making short hairs. So you guys wanted to see me making short hairs rather than always doing long hairs. So yeah, here it is. So right now we're about to making her hair. She actually wants it pretty fast, so we are to, because she have kids or children to take care of. So yeah, we are just trying to make the whole work or the process faster for her, so that she can be able to later attend to her children. For the length she's going for, we used scissors to just cut the extension, the Ceres, into 2. That's cut 2 before twisting. To be able to get the bouncy nature of this style, you have to use like enough product. That's when you're actually making someone's hair with it, so you have to use enough product so that the bouncy nature of this hair will come out better.
You found me happy, you leave me happy. Every day I like to go.
After sectioning out the part you would like to twist, you have to section it out as if you are about to box braid. You can equally do it in lines, or rather you can just do like the normal cutting or the normal sectioning pattern. So any which way, anyhow you want to cut or anyhow you want to section the client's hair, you can go ahead to do that. They will all give you the same results. But sometimes people like to section in lines, you know, or do like different patterns of sectioning. So it all depends on what your client wants. After sectioning her hair, you just go ahead to use a tail comb or a small comb to just comb the hair, since it's natural. So you can start combing the hair from the tip of the hair down to the root of her hair. After sectioning it out, you just start box braiding. First, attach the product to her hair. Then after that, you just take little and then try to like thread the extension from the roots. This is optional as well. You can just box braid and go ahead to start twisting, or you can twist from the beginning. It's optional, but we like to like thread it down. Anyways, it just depends on what the client wants, but most times most clients that comes to our salon actually want us to like thread it down and then go ahead to twist the remaining part of the hair. So the threading from the roots is usually good for short hairs, because you know, especially when the hair is natural and short at the same time, so it's really good for short hairs. So you just use little pieces to just thread it and kind of straighten it as well, so that you can be able to twist the remaining part of the hair. So this will help hold the root or the bottom of the hair firm. Moving on, we just separate the hair into 2 and then start twisting from there. So the twisting for this particular style should be to the right and not to the left, so that it can give this bouncing nature of the hair. I think I've done like a demo in the previous video. I've actually filmed this type of video before, so I've done like a demo of what a twisting to the left looks like and what twisting to the right actually looks like. So I'm going to leave the link of that video in the description box below, so you can actually go and check it out.
Oh, baby, now.
And while twisting, do not straighten the extension, just twist it the way it is. The only thing you need to do to the hair while twisting is just to be detangling the hair. Just use your hands to like detangle the hair, or your fingers to detangle the hair, and then go ahead to twist, you detangle the hair a little bit, twist, detangle the hair. So that's the only thing you need to do. You do not need to straighten the hair, just twist the hair the way it is. So yeah, twist until you get to the tip of the hair. So you can as well twist down to the tip of the hair, or for us, we usually like to like roll the hair to itself. So after twisting and tying the knot, you just go ahead to roll the hair in between your hands, just to release the bouncing nature of the hair, to release it a little bit so that it can bounce. Once we're done twisting, I'm just using styling mousse on her hair first, and then go ahead to trim the hair properly. Just little trim, nothing much. So this hair is basically very simple. We're not doing any style in front, so it's just to twist all around, twist all over the hair. So yeah, if you actually want like a detailed tutorial on how to twist, how to twist for this particular hairstyle, I'm going to leave, like I said before, the link in the description box below, so that you can easily go and check it out. So yeah, here's the final look. I just wanted to show you guys, just for you guys to see how we actually make short hair as well. So yeah, thank you for watching this video from the beginning to the end. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you liked it, and do not forget to leave a comment, like, share this video to friends and family, subscribe if you haven't. If you have any video ideas or topic you want me to film, you can actually leave it in the comment section below. So yeah, we'll talk to you guys in the next video, and I hope you guys like my new intro. Yeah, we'll talk to you guys in the next video. Stay blessed and safe.